I'm getting the diamond egg. I already get. Hi, Stella.
Hi.
Okay, guys. So today I'm gonna try the trading diamond egg if I get any good poster, and then if it's pretty good, I'm gonna escape. But if it's not in the part 2, I will hatch it. Okay, so let's go. Yes.
Yes, I'm gonna trade my Mega Monkey too.
Yeah, your Mega
Maybe
Monkey is cute.
I can get a good trade or not. I don't know, but let's see.
Someone is named like you, Stella.
I'm gonna say trading Mega Monkey. Wait, can you give me legendary pet, please? I am poor. I don't even have a pet, bro.
Yeah, I don't have much.
Just only get this Mega Monkey, bro. Sorry.
Yeah, so sorry.
Wait, I'm gonna trade this. Wait. She's right, a neon.
Oh my god!
What is she gonna offer? What are they offering?
A Mega Dragon. Oh my.
What?
A Mega Dragon, a unicorn, and a cow. Oh hi, Jessica. You're in another call, right?
Okay.
I just want to escape this trade right now.
But no one's like wants to
Because
trade.
it's a Mega Dragon. I know.
Wait, this is a Mega Uni. Okay.
Oh my god, they nearly escaping the trade. Should I escape this trade?
Nope.
Why?
Let's get and see other offer.
I'm gonna say friendly because I'm not sure. Where are they? Oh, I see him.
Wait, this is a Mega. Wait, what is that? Oh, Mega. Go to Penguin, I guess. Wait, let's try again.
Okay, let me see another trade. Cause I don't think that we have to escape that fast, right?
Oh, hello. I'm trying to trade my snow owl, maybe because no one want the.
Yeah, now everyone look like they need snow oil.
Someone just gave me an what was that?
What?
Wait. Anti-gravity potion. What's that?
Just mean that can jump high.
This is a Mega Dragon. This is my old dream cat, but now it's not a dream.
Someone just trade me a neon frost fairy.
Now my cousin is trying to teleport me.
Yeah.
Bro, she'll wave on my pet. Okay, no one won the Mega Monkey, so I'm gonna hatch my credit. I just forward it.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Why is I'm so high?
What?
Wait.
Something wrong.
Oh, I just drank the potion, that's why I jumped so.
Yeah, that potion make you jump high.
Yeah, I don't want to jump high, probably.
Everyone, we afford the PDD shield.
Let's put in the climb, bro.
If I get.
Why you trade me in the climb? I didn't even edge it, bro. I hate.
Diamond egg is I'll get. It lost some vowels, so it's not that much rare.
Wait, this is neon uni, but we're trying to get it.
Oh my god!
Mega O.
Someone just offered me a Mega Unicorn, a Dragon, and 2 eggs. Why? Oh my god. Yeah, that was a great offer I ever seen. Can you give me egg? No. I don't know what to say.
Let's say ABC for a free pet.
Yeah.
Wait, let's see.
You were going to be
give
some pet.
Going to give away
What kind
And
of
in my
pet?
account, I have 3 snowmen.
Oh my
Hey,
god.
help!
I wanna see the best train.
Okay, I can play.
If I'm gonna get a bad dragon for this diamond unicorn, I'm gonna die.
Transperennial skateboard. Wait, someone just trade me a broom and it's common. I don't think it's a
It's not fair, right?
but it's a broom, I guess.
What kind of broom it is?
Someone said it's really rare, but it's a common. And then
That's a fake broom. That's a fake.
He's trying to scam me because broom, some broom is a pet bear.
Yeah, it's not the real. The real broom is legend.
Yep.
And
That's why I don't know it.
and the old broom, the real broom is very long, not with bone.
Why is broom and honey candy so rare? I don't know why.
They are really old and the
Bro,
candy.
stop
Yeah.
teleport me. Dude.
The candy cannot get a lot of candy and it's
Wait,
so
I
rare.
walk in the water? Wait.
Really? Oh, I know that hack already.
Wait,
Let's
when I
do
made my
trading
cousin, she was
diamond
like,
drag. Oh my god. I'm here.
Nora, when I met my cousin, she and I'm playing me and she was like, can I have a snow owl?
Oh, so you're gonna
Like-
give him?
Bro.
Huh?
Oh, what? What?
You're not going to give him.
It's a girl.
Yeah, it's your sister, don't you? Or is your friend?
It's my mom.
What?
Like my mom, cousin. I don't know.
Yeah, it's your cousin. Why don't you give
Like,
him?
it's my mom, cousin, daughter. Do you understand? Like, do you? Oh my god. Bro. Wait, she put her name Stella, bro. Stop copying me.
No, in the world there is more a lot of Stella.
Bro, her name is Stella. No?
I saw some girl of name Stella a lot of time.
Bro, she put her nickname Stella, but her name is Li, bro. What's that?
Well, maybe she
Okay, I
loves
hope
the
this
name.
is a unicorn. I hope this is a unicorn.
A Kimura dog and this.
Wait, she gave me a candy can chew toy. Thank you.
Yeah, you get some candy.
Okay, I'm gonna give her something. She oh. Okay, let's give her something. Okay.
Yeah.
Yay! It's gonna hatch. Ooh, it's gonna hatch. Please, unicorn or something better.
Yeah.
Oh, this is no car, snow pet. Let's treat her or give her something. Okay, I'm gonna give her my snow pet. Actually, I just hatched it.
Wow, your snow cat. Well, we get lost by.
Bye bye. I'm leaving.
Okay, I think I have to escape his train.
Bro. I give you a pet.
Wait, can I ask? Someone said that the neon sculpture is really rare. I know that it's rare.
Oh, what is this? Oh, this why trying to scam?
Wait, who?
This is a it's a scam, a new scam. Is it?
Okay. Thank you. Little vermine, diamond egg. Okay guys, if you want to see the next part of this trading diamond egg, make sure to click the subscribe button to Nora Crystal channel, please guys. and please thumbs up for our each video. And thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys enjoy. Also, Stella get disconnected by her mom, so I mean this is our video. And today, if I get the more as such thing as the good officer as I get, I'm gonna show you guys in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like. And also guys, I'm gonna try to giving away legendary pet, 2 legendary pet for 3 of you guys. So make sure to click the support hand up to 100 subscribers please. Okay, so bye.